Hey guys, welcome back to All Coupon Code. In this video, I'll show you how to get a Preply promo code and save money on your first lesson. If you're planning to learn English or any other language on Preply, this will definitely help you spend less. So first, let's talk about the price difference. When you normally open Preply, you'll notice that many tutors are charging quite a bit depending on their experience and ratings. But when you use this deal, the same tutors become much more affordable. You're basically paying less for the same tutor, same quality, and same experience. So if you were thinking it's a bit expensive to start, this makes it easier to try. Now let's see how this deal actually works. This is not a typical coupon code that you need to enter manually. It works through a special link. So what you need to do is simply click the link in the description. As soon as you open the link, you'll be redirected to the official Preply website, and you'll see a pop-up on your screen showing that your discount is ready. This pop-up only appears if you use the link. If you go directly to the website, you won't see it. Now just click on Continue, then click on Login and choose Sign Up as a student. Complete your sign-up process. It only takes a few seconds. And once you're done, you'll notice that the prices are already reduced for you. After that, you can choose any tutor you like, check their profile, reviews, and availability. Then click on Book Trial Lesson, and you'll see the discounted price applied at checkout. Just make sure you use the same link, otherwise the offer may not show. So yeah, that's how you can easily save money on Preply. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to All Coupon Code for more deals and promo codes. Link is in the description, you can go check it out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.